If you're managing a team or clients remotely, GoTo Resolve's remote desktop could be a game changer for your IT management. This software lets you access and troubleshoot any device from anywhere, ideal for IT pros looking to streamline their workflows and enhance support efficiency. But as we dive in, we'll also take a look at how it compares to other tools and whether it's really the best solution for your needs. First things first, the setup. GoTo Resolve's remote desktop is known for being incredibly easy to set up. Once you install the agent on the device you need access to, connecting is as simple as a click. This is crucial if you're managing multiple devices or working with non-technical users. You won't waste time fumbling through complex processes, which is always a bonus when you're under pressure. Next thing, remote access features. GoTo Resolve allows full control over a remote machine. You can view the screen, control the mouse, and even transfer files without any latency issues. This means that whether you're fixing software bugs, installing updates, or providing tech support, the remote desktop feels just like sitting right in front of the device. However, some other software options like TeamViewer or AnyDesk can offer similar functionality, but GoTo Resolve's interface is cleaner and a bit more intuitive, which could save you time in the long run. The third thing, security. GoTo Resolve uses robust security protocols like 256-bit AES encryption and multi-factor authentication to keep your remote connection secure. But let's be honest, while it's secure, the competition isn't slacking either. Software like ConnectWise Control or even the more popular AnyDesk also boast strong security measures. The difference is in the ease of use and added tools, such as remote monitoring and reporting, that GoTo Resolve offers. Next up, let's talk about scalability. GoTo Resolve shines in environments where IT management needs to be scaled. Whether you have 5 devices or 50, GoTo Resolve's centralized dashboard helps manage and monitor everything from one place. It's perfect for MSPs or internal teams that need to oversee a large number of systems. That said, larger enterprise-level setups might find GoTo Resolve a bit limiting compared to other solutions like SolarWinds, which can handle more complex IT infrastructures. Now, what about pricing? GoTo Resolve's pricing can be a bit tricky to navigate. While they do offer competitive rates, it's always worth comparing with alternatives. The thing is, GoTo Resolve offers an extended free trial, which gives you time to really test out all the features without commitment. If you're on the fence, this could be your chance to dive in and see if it's the right fit for your needs. Finally, I want to point out that while GoTo Resolve's remote desktop is a solid choice, it's not the only one. There are other software options that might offer more flexibility, especially if you're managing a complex IT environment. Software like ConnectWise or SolarWinds could be more suitable depending on your situation. These alternatives provide excellent performance, security, and support, often with a broader range of IT management tools. But the kicker? You'll get exclusive, extended free trials for GoTo Resolve and these alternatives when you use the link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trials and exclusive benefits tailored just for you, our viewers. Don't miss out on the chance to try the tools that could make your IT management more efficient than ever.